In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add social links to your Roblox profile. Social links are a great way to connect with other players and share your social media accounts. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app and then tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Settings. After that, tap Account Info. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see a section called Social Networks. You can add your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guilded links. For example, if you want to add a YouTube channel link, first copy the channel link, then tap here, and then paste that link, just like this. Then you need to make these links visible on your Roblox profile. To do that, tap here, and select an option depending on who you want to see your social media profiles. I'm going to select everyone, which means everyone can see it. Then tap the Save button to finish the process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.